Here are a few tips to get a good side stick sound. First, I like to turn the stick around. In my opinion, it sounds a bit fatter and a bit louder. And that is very important because a snare is quite loud, right? And you want that side stick sound to also be kind of there. Second, it's a bit different on each snare and with each stick, but find out where it sounds the best. Third, I like to lift up the stick right after the stroke. So not like this, but like this. It kind of lets the stick breathe a bit more. Yeah, that's it. Cool.